Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Rakshit J from Bengaluru, and I have got this opportunity to share my NEET PG journey with you guys. Coming to how I was during my UG days, I am definitely not someone whom people would describe as an average student. I have my fair share of distinctions, but studying has always been something casual for me. I've never taken it too seriously, not until final year, when that was the only time when I had to actually study day and night to actually just clear the exams. And coming to NEET PG proper, how I started off during my internship. Although I did not get too much time, I attempted my first NEET PG exam in Jan 2020. My rank then was 7,238, which most people would argue that it is a good rank, but it would not get me a radio diagnosis seat, which I actually wanted. So I decided to drop a year and actually study for NEET PG 2021, which was actually scheduled to be held on Jan 10th of 2021. But we all know how that turned out, don't we? And so what I did, I joined DBMCI, just like most of my friends who did, for regular classes, and they conducted everyday online classes starting from April onwards. Although I was not very regular in listening to classes, but what I was regular at was practicing questions. I used a variety of question banks, of which pre-PG was the one which I used the most. What I like about pre-PG was it has many options to customize the kind of questions that you want to solve, and its deep revision feature was a godsend, to be honest, which would concentrate on your weak areas just to sharpen your skills regarding that. And the studying proper, the syllabus was completed somewhere around Feb to March of 2021. After that, I was left wondering how do I continue on with the revision of the towards the NEET PG, which by then was scheduled to somewhere in April, but then circumstances postponed it to September, which I might add honestly gave a couple of extra months to actually perfect what was going on, to perfect my subjects. And revision, what I did was I would solve 200 questions every day from pre-PG alone, deep revision part of pre-PG, and also a few new questions which I had customized to show as many clinical questions as possible, since we knew from at least from the NEET 2020 experience that the questions are getting more clinical. So, and then my center, I am from Bengaluru, but the center assigned to me by NEET PG was in Hyderabad, and I had to actually travel the previous day and set up over there for at least one night and I did not get any time to study during that time, but I still got time to solve a couple of questions from pre-PG. And on the day of the exam, the time assigned to me was 7 a.m. I had barely got 4 hours of sleep the previous night, and that early I didn't even get a proper breakfast in the in the hotel because it was not prepared. But what helped me was this regular solving of questions, lots of questions, which actually increases your speed of solving questions in the actual exam. But looking at the exam, I could see that most of the questions were modeled in the same way in which the kind of questions I solved in pre-PG, and that actually helped me a lot to answer quite fast. And to the extent that I actually could save 45 minutes in the end so that I could review my questions. and review their answers and correct them if need be. And although I did not expect a really good rank, I expected somewhere around 2000 to 3000 range. But a couple days back, when the scores were out, I saw that it was 640 on 800, which is quite a good score, and also in the range of what I used to get when I used to solve the weekly grand tests in pre-PG. And just one day back the rank was declared, and I am happy to notify that my rank is 636, which will almost surely get me a radio diagnosis seat. And I could not have done this without pre-PG. And it's funny to think that just 2 hours a day of revision can get such a good rank. But I mean, pre-PG made this possible. Now I'm awaiting counseling to begin, to see where this leads. So that has been my NEET PG journey. One thing that stands out in this is consistency. I mean, I did not put in hours and hours of studying in for revision purposes, but every day I made sure to solve at least 200 questions and the daily tests of pre-PG. All these things went a long way in getting me such a good rank. So that's it. That was my journey for NEET PG.